Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI P30 Pro, and today I will show you how you can add widgets to your home screen. So at the first you have to pick screen when you want to attach your widget. I'm picking this one. Then you have to click and hold your screen. If it not work, you have to pinch screen like that. As you can see right now, we have to tap on the widgets below, and here we can choose easily widget that we want to attach to the screen. I'm going to choose, for example, this one. So when you tap on it, you are two options. You can go for the calendar or schedule. I'm going to use simple calendar, and as you can see when you make it, it's attached to the screen. So you can also add another widget to another screen, for example for this one, and we can use the weather for the 5x1, and we can put it here. If you want to enter to the screen, just tap here, and as you can see right now we got our widget. We can click and hold it to move through the screen. When you make it, you can also change size of that widget. Oh, let me show you one more time. Okay, unfortunately we cannot make it smaller, but we can make it bigger. As you can see, when you tap on the widget will be open, and basically that's all. If you want to remove any of the widget, you have to click hold and then tap remove and then confirm at the bottom. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.